Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant, and I have a kit here to basically assemble a knife. I got it from Amazon, and I'm going to put it together and share it with you. So enjoy, and let's get after it. Okay, so this is what came in the kit. A Damascus type steel. I feel like it's already hardened and sharpened. I just have to assemble a handle. It came with these some sort of bone, but I don't really like it, so I'm not going to use them. I'll save them and maybe use them on some other knife project. So instead, I cut out a little piece of oak, and I'm going to make a oak handle. Came with some brass pins for here, and it came with this. I'm assuming it's for the lanyard, but it doesn't fit. It's not the right size, so I'm not going to use it. I'll save it, but I'm not going to use it. And it came with this sheath, so that's kind of nice. Like I said in another video, a previous video, I want to get into some knife making, and this is going to be me dipping my toes into the knife making realm. So easy. I just have to assemble a handle, but it'll be fun, and I'll have a knife, and it wasn't that expensive. It was like $34 off Amazon for this kit. Like I said, it came with, I don't know what these are. Some sort of animal bone. I'll save it. I said that. I'm repeating myself. Alright, let's do this. So the blade is full of oil, so I'm going to try some of this heavy duty engine degreaser I have in the garage. I'm sure it will take this oil off. I'll spray a little bit on here. Alright, I drilled one hole, and I already see an issue where my hole pattern will get offset if I try to do it by squeezing with my fingers. So what I'm going to do is cut out some of these brass pins and use them as a guide while I'm drilling these, and we'll call it good. Oops. Oops-a-daisy. Alright, let's see. That's probably enough. Alright, let's see. Alright, that will work. So I think if I just get 2 pins in, if I get 2 pins in, I can use that to index the rest of them. And that, my friend, is the sound of a dying battery. Alright, and there's the whole pattern for the other side. Son of a biscuit. You know what I did? I didn't flip the knife over. Oh, I can make that work. I just didn't want to have to make that work. So I should have flipped the knife over and did the other side, because I wanted to grind on the outside, but I can do it this way. Shoot! Alright, I'll make it work. I'm going to use this super glue as my adhesive and see how that works. Well, it's not very graceful, but I guess it's working. All right, let's see how this looks. Let's see how this looks. I hope it's okay. I hope it's okay. Well, certainly the paper towel sticks well. Okay, so let us take this over to my sander and let us try doing some work to this and see what happens. It's a little uneven, but again, my first time, and let's see how it goes. Threw some tape on there so I don't cut myself and I don't damage the edge. So let's grind down these brass pins and see what we can do. Okay, so this is my $34 kit knife from Amazon.com, and it's obvious to me that this is just etched to look like Damascus. It's not really Damascus, because when I was grinding back here, it took all that Damascus look away. So that's just etched in, but that's okay. I got to assemble this, kind of grind a handle out. Feels pretty good, but that's not Damascus steel. And but I got myself a little knife. Got a $34 knife. Put some oak on it, and feels pretty good in the hand. It's a little small for me, being a giant. Probably need another 1.5 inches on the end there. But what can I say? It was sort of fun to do, and I'll make some more. I'll actually make a knife using a file, I think, and learned a few things here with the grinding of the or sanding of the wood. I think I'd do a little different shape too. It's actually, now that I play with it in my hand, it is a little too small for my hand, but what the heck. Alright, YouTube, so it's Andrew. I made myself a little came with a sheath. Let's see if I can do a shot. Hey, there you go, man.